In this video, you'll learn how to set Perplexity AI as your default voice assistant. By following these instructions, you will be able to configure your device to use Perplexity AI for voice commands and queries. Begin by installing the Perplexity AI application from your device's App Store. Once the installation is complete, locate the app on your device's home screen or app drawer. Ensure that the app is fully updated to the latest version for optimal performance. Next, open the Settings application on your device. This can typically be found in the app drawer or by swiping down on the home screen and tapping the gear icon. Once you are in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Apps option and select it. This will take you to a list of all installed applications. In the Apps section, look for the default apps option, which may be located under a sub-menu depending on your device. Tap on Default Apps to access settings that allow you to choose default applications for various functions. Here, find the option labeled Digital Assistant App and select it to view your current options. At this point, you should see a list of available digital assistant apps. If Perplexity AI appears in this list, you can select it as your default assistant. However, if it is not listed, this means that your device does not support setting it as the default assistant at this time. In this case, you will need to use an alternative method. As a workaround, you can utilize Google Assistant. Simply activate Google Assistant by saying the wake phrase or by pressing the Assistant button on your device. Once activated, say Open Perplexity AI. This command will launch the Perplexity AI, allowing you to speak or type your query directly within the application. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.